Today we're going to take a look at the Rheem Tankless electric water heater. This is the perfect solution for getting continuous on-demand hot water in your home. First, let's check out the simple dial control with an adjustable digital temperature display. It lets you set the perfect temperature for your needs with just one turn of the dial. You don't have to worry about running out of hot water during your showers or when you're doing the dishes, because this unit offers almost 3 gallons per minute of consistent endless hot water on demand. One of the best features of this model is its self-modulating power control, which adjusts the energy output based on water demand. And that just basically means that it uses the energy that you need, which can help save you on your energy bill. So if you're looking for a reliable, compact, and efficient water heater that delivers endless hot water, then this is actually a great choice.